This is Shasha, one of the AI influencers I've created, and all of these were made by me in just minutes.
But how? Every one of these characters was created using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same and the simplest way to monetize your own AI influencer. All right, let's see how it's done. So first, visit the AI Influencer Studio using the link in the description and click Create New Influencer. You'll then see this interface. Here, all you have to do is choose how you want your character to look by selecting options in the builder. For this example, I'm going to create a realistic female character. So I'll choose these settings to generate a beautiful woman as my AI influencer. Once you've selected your options, simply click Generate and wait to see your brand new character come to life.
Looks great! So guys, we've just created our first AI influencer. These here are some of the characters I made earlier and already used to publish content as unique AI influencers. Now, let's see how we can generate a video using this character. Right here, you can see the video icon. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll find a set of pre-made motion videos that you can use to generate a clip with your character. You can also upload your own video if you want. I'll click Explore to open the full library. Choose one from there and use it to bring this character to life.
Once you pick a video from the motion library or upload your own, just click Generate and wait a few seconds. Awesome! Now our AI influencer is live. All you have to do is share this content on social media and start monetizing it. Okay. But how do we monetize it? It's actually very simple. Here's how. Visit Higgsfield Earn using the link in the description. Choose either YouTube or Instagram based on your preference. In my case, I'll pick Instagram. Next, enter your Instagram username and your email address. Once that's done, a verification code will be sent to your email. Just enter it here to continue. After that, you'll see this interface. Find any active campaigns and click on one. Then follow all the guidelines provided, create your video, and upload it to your Instagram account. Once your video is live, come back here, click Submit Video, paste the link to your Instagram post, and click Submit. Within just 24 hours, you'll get paid based on your performance. And that's not all. You can instantly claim $10 just by tagging their Instagram in your bio. So friends, that's how you can create your own AI influencer and easily monetize it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in a new video. For now, goodbye!